Solve field chaos with Zoho FSM, delivered by Haya Solutions. Are you a small service business owner overwhelmed by scheduling, missed jobs, delays, and endless paperwork? Whether you're running HVAC, plumbing, electrical, cleaning, or appliance repair teams, you've probably thought, there's got to be a better way to run this business. There is. It's called Zoho Field Service Management, FSM. And Haya Solutions can bring it to life in your business, fast. Zoho FSM is a powerful cloud-based platform that simplifies every step of your service operation, from the first customer call to the final invoice. In one place, you can schedule jobs, assign technicians, track work in real time, generate quotes, and get paid, all digitally. Your field team? They'll have the mobile app, see assigned jobs, get directions, take notes, capture signatures, and even send invoices right from their phone. You get complete visibility from the office, see where your crews are, what jobs are open, and what's been completed. No more guesswork, no more chaos. Zoho FSM comes packed with the tools your business needs: smart scheduling and dispatch, quotes and work orders, asset and equipment tracking, recurring maintenance, invoicing, and payment collection, customer portals, GPS and location tracking, workflow automation, digital job sheets and signatures, integration with Zoho Books, Zoho CRM, and more. Imagine saving hours per day, improving customer response times, and getting paid faster, all with zero paperwork. That's what Zoho FSM delivers. And the best part? You don't have to figure it out alone. Haya Solutions, an award-winning Zoho partner, will. Set up Zoho FSM to match your business, train your team in just a few days, support you every step of the way. We've helped dozens of small service businesses across Canada and the US do more with less. Zoho FSM isn't just software. It's a game changer. And with Haya Solutions, it's a smooth transition. No stress, no steep learning curve, just results. Ready to eliminate the chaos? Book a free consultation today with Haya Solutions and see how Zoho FSM can transform your field service business fast. Book free consultation. Try Zoho FSM now.